Data and methodology. Data from the International Best Track Archive for Climate Stewardship, IPTRACS, from the Regional Specialized Meteorological Center of the World Meteorological Organization and various agencies, for example, Joint Typhoon Warning Center, JTWC, and the Japan Meteorology Agency, JMA, during the period of 1960 to 2014 were used to analyze TC frequency change. Because the observation of tropical depression-associated wind speed was not available until 1980 in the Southern Hemisphere, the analysis of TC activity in the Indian Ocean, IO, and Western South Pacific, WSB, starts from the 1980s. Besides, the typhoon season, October to April, in the Southern Hemisphere covers 2 calendar years. The TC genesis number was measured from July to next June. Monthly atmospheric datasets of NCEP/MCAR reanalysis I and monthly SSD field data obtained from the Met Office Hadley Center were used for diagnosing large-scale circulation anomalies. The TC is defined as the maximum sustained wind speed of tropical cyclone reaches 34 knots. The TC is further separated to 3 scales, TS, tie and street, which is approximately corresponding to the TS, C1 C2, C3 C5 of Saffir-Simpson typhoon scale respectively, Table 1. A singular vector decomposition, SVD, analysis by pairing up the SSD and 850 hectopascal stream function fields was conducted to investigate the climate regime shift, CRS, of coupled climate system. Because the global SSD, especially in the Indian Ocean, IO, exhibits a remarkable warming trend, the linear trend of SSD during 1950 to 2010 had been removed off in the SVD analysis. A regime shift index, RSI, was then applied to the time series of first 2 SVDs to detect the specific time of climate regime shift. A cutoff length of 10 years was applied for climate regime shift, CRS, diagnosis, and only the RSI exceeding significant test at 0.05 significance level was considered. Definition of the different tropical cyclone scale in this study. The typhoon, is approximately corresponding to Category 1 plus 2, and SD, severe typhoon, is corresponding to Category 3 plus 4 plus 5 of Saffir-Simpson hurricane wind scale. The TC number is defined as the summation of TS, and SD numbers.